Look what happens if you put aloe vera in your hair. Many women wonder how to use aloe vera gel to make our hair grow fast and healthy. In addition to these home remedies, you can use commercial products made from aloe vera. The advantage of products containing this ingredient is that they are more natural and less harmful than products made with chemicals exclusively. Well, here are some popular home remedies based on aloe vera. 1. To prepare a simple aloe vera gel, mix half a cup of this with a quarter cup of almond oil. Apply the mixture on the scalp and let it act for 20 or 30 minutes. 2. This method works to retain the moisture level of the hair. Directly extract the gel from the aloe vera leaves. Apply it on the scalp by massaging it and wait 30 minutes before washing. You can apply this home remedy every 15 days to keep your hair healthy. 3. To produce an aloe vera shampoo, mix half a cup of this, half a cup of coconut water and a half cup of wheat germ to form a liquid paste that can be applied as a shampoo to wash the hair. 4. Mix aloe vera gel with honey. Apply on the scalp and let it act for 20 minutes. Wash with warm water. This home remedy is effective to restore hair shine. 5. Another simple remedy is to cut aloe vera leaves into small pieces and leave them soaking in water overnight. Use this water to wash your hair. 6. It is also possible to prepare an aloe vera capillary mask. Mix the gel with an egg and a glass of brandy. Apply on the scalp and let it act for at least an hour, after which it can wash. 7. Another aloe vera mask is prepared as follows. Mix 2 teaspoons of the aloe vera gel, a half cup of mayonnaise, and a finely chopped tomato. Apply on the scalp before bedtime at night. Wrap it to protect it until